Okay, so welcome to another video tutorial. In this particular tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create a custom container or custom image for Docker and how we can run that image using the Docker container. So in this case, we are going to create an image of the website. So basically, I'm going to host the static website in the Docker so that you will understand how to host a website also, how to create image also, and how to create a container also. So everything will be in this particular video. Okay, so I will tell you what are the prerequisites here that I have done already. So if I open my browser, there is a cloud account. I'm using the DigitalOcean and I have created one server that I've been using in my all of the tutorials, and on this server I have installed the Docker. If you don't have DigitalOcean account or if you don't have any cloud account, I will suggest please get one, because whatever you are learning you are going to implement on the cloud at the end of the day. So why not start right now? You will find link in the description where you will get the $200 credit for new accounts. You can proceed from there. Okay, so right now I'm assuming that you have account already or you have created account right now. So once it is there, you can just copy IP address of the server and you can access using SSH. If you don't know how to access using SSH, I will show you right now. So you can just type the command SSH username at an IP address and hit enter, and it will ask for password. This is how you can log in using SSH. Hence I have done already, I will not do that again. And on the system also I have installed the Docker. So let me show you docker-ch, and it is showing the output. That means on the system the Docker is installed. So I am not going to install the Docker process again, right? So now I'm not going to show you the installation of the Docker process again. It's a simple command. You can go ahead and search on the Google also, or what you can do is you can just watch my previous videos. Let's focus on the website and how we can create an image and how we can create the container. Okay, for this let's do ls, and in the root directory let's create one folder called web. Okay, so inside of web let's go with the cd web. And if you remember, in the past tutorials I have already created a static web sample for website, right? So this is my GitHub where the sample is created. As you can see, the static web sample, we are going to use this one. Click on this, go to the code and copy this particular URL right here. Minimize this, go to the terminal right here, and let's git clone the repository. Okay, so right now I'm going to clone the repository in the demo folder so that I can use directly. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's do git clone and paste the URL that we copied and demo. Type demo so that everything will be cloned in the demo folder. Hit enter, and if you see ls, then demo folder is created. And if you do demo ls demo, then you will see the files of the website. So public is there, index is there, about HTML is there, and readme is there. As of now, ignore the readme file because there is no use of the readme file in this particular thing as of now. Okay, so once it is done, in order to create image, okay, so first let me clear. So once it is done, in order to create Docker image of the website, what we need to do is we need to create a Docker file first, and this Docker file will be used to create a Docker image, and then Docker image will be used to run the container, and container will be hosting our website. As simple as that. So let's go ahead and use nano editor and let's type Dockerfile. So make sure that you are spelling the exact same thing, capital D and Dockerfile, because that's the exact name is recognized as a Dockerfile. So once you open this file using nano editor, I will paste the sample Docker file right here. Basically what we are going to do here in this particular Docker file is we are going to pull the existing Nginx image, because we are going to host our website using the Nginx. That's why we can pull the existing Nginx image, and then we can add our own data, or we can customize further in order to host our website. So let's go ahead. That's why there is a from Nginx latest. So it is pulling the image from the Nginx, then adding our data and compiling together, and then hosting our website. This is how it is doing. So far so good. The Nginx is there, but if you remember, our all files are in the demo folder, right? So what you can do is you can just remove all of this shit. Okay, you can just remove this all of the copy things, file and everything. You can just do dash demo, and whatever is inside the demo will be copied to the user share nginx html, and that will do the thing. Okay, let's save this and exit this from here. And in order to build the Docker image, what we need to do is we need to execute this command: docker build -t docker my website docker image. This is the image name. -t, whatever is coming from after -t is the image name, and -dot. So why we are using dot? Because the Docker file is present in the current directory. If you do ls, there is a Docker file and there is a website files, right? That's why we are doing the dot. And let's hit enter, and it is started building the image. As you can see, it got first nginx image first, then it is copying our files in the Docker container, and it is showing that this image is successfully built, and the name of the image is this one, my website image, and the tag is latest. Now we need to run the website. So how we can run the website, or how we can run the container so that our website will be live? So we can run using this command: docker run -d. Docker run the container. -d means detach from the, once it is run, detach, don't show on the terminal. Then there is a port, hence we are using website, we are exposing the port 80 so that our website will be visible on the internet also, right? And there is an image, my image, a website image. I can add here tag add latest also in the end of the image. If I have different version, I can just manage from here. I can add latest also, I can add 2.1 whatever the version is, and something like that. But in my case, I will just keep it default, and by default takes the latest image. Okay, hit enter, and as you can see, the image is created. It is showing the hash. So let's clear the terminal, do docker ps, and it should show my website which is running. Okay, let's go ahead and let's open the DigitalOcean. Okay, DigitalOcean is here. Copy the IP address of this server, and let's go to the new tab and paste it right here, and it should show our website. Voila. It is showing our website. That means our website is live and everything is in place. This is how we create image from the source code. We run the container and we hosted the website. As simple as that, right? So yeah, that's all for this particular video, and in the next video we are going to see how we can upload this created image on the Docker Hub. Okay, so Docker Hub is a Docker repository. I will explain in the next video. Basically, I will show you how you can put this image on somewhere, some repository, so that anyone can use it, or you can use it whenever you want. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this particular video, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next.